Let's begin with the reactions of carboxylic acids. The first reaction which we are discussing here, it is a Hell-Wohlard-Zielinski reaction, which is also known as halogenation of aliphatic acids. Now, here in this reaction, in presence of small amount of red phosphorus, when aliphatic carboxylic acids are treated with chlorine, bromine to form alpha substituted halogen acid, and this reaction is known as HVZ reaction. Here RCH2COOH, when this carboxylic acid is reacted with any halogen, mostly chlorine or bromine, in presence of small amount of red phosphorus, then this is a carboxylic group and this carbon is known as alpha carbon. Here hydrogen atom from alpha carbon get replaced by halogen and we get alpha halocarboxylic acid. Some more examples of Hell-Wohlard-Zielinski reaction. Here this is one more carboxylic acid. This is alpha carbon, and when such aliphatic acid is reacted with bromine in presence of small amount of red phosphorus, one hydrogen atom from alpha carbon here get replaced with bromine atom and we get alpha bromocarboxylic acid. HVZ reaction is continued till all the alpha hydrogen atoms get replaced with halogen atom. See this example. Here this is a propanoic acid. In propanoic acid, this is alpha carbon and two alpha hydrogen atoms are present. So when propanoic acid is reacted with chlorine in presence of red phosphorus, initially one hydrogen atom get replaced with one chlorine atom. If reaction is continued, then the second hydrogen, alpha hydrogen, is also get replaced with the chlorine atom and we get 2,2-dichloropropanoic acid. Once this 2,2-chloro-dipropanoic acid is formed, here all alpha hydrogen atoms are exhausted. It cannot undergo further HVZ reaction. Next reaction is ring substitution in aromatic carboxylic acid. The carboxylic group shows minus R effect and it acts as a meta-directing group towards the electrophilic substitution reaction. Thus, when benzoic acid it is reacted with concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4, which provides nitronium ion. It's an electrophile. In this reaction, this nitronium ion, it is added at the meta position of the carboxyl group, because carboxylic group, it's the meta directing group. In the same way, when benzoic acid is undergo halogenation like bromination, then bromine atom, bromine electrophile is added at the meta position. So we get meta-bromobenzoic acid. The same way, meta-nitrobenzoic acid. So COOH group, because of its minus R effect, it is a meta-directing group towards the electrophilic substitution reaction. Here we have finished about the carboxylic acids. In next video, we will discuss about the various derivatives of the carboxylic acid. Thank you. It's be it's be it's be it's be